Hello everybody and welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please check out all the other great videos we have on the channel and subscribe if you would like to do so. We have tons of videos and projects coming up having to do with so many different types of plants and vegetables. You guys are going to love the channel. Here's the situation we have. If you have a Sansevieria at home that you want to propagate and clone and grow into new plants, I'm going to show you which method works best and will have the fastest results for you. It has been almost 2 months since we propagated the Sansevieria in front of us here, and we're going to check out the progress to see what is doing better, the soil propagations or the propagation that's been in water. I have laid out before you the cuttings that we have taken. The left 3, 1, 2, 3, are the ones that have been in soil the entire time. The one on the right side, however, has been in a cup of water 2 inches above the bottom of that cutting. Taking a look at cutting number 1, we have no roots. Cutting number 2, no roots. Cutting number 3, no roots. All of those have been in soil. Cutting number 4, oh, what do we have there? It appears to me that there are many roots coming through the bottom of that cutting. Looking from a different angle, you'll see that that is confirmed 100%. There is many roots coming through there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on that farther side there. And this is all on the cutting that has been sitting in water. This is how the cutting has been sitting for these 2 months. Just like this, like I said, a couple inches below the water surface, and do nothing with it but change the water periodically. I only changed this once, so about a month into the experiment, I changed the water, and that's it. I believe that this test is totally conclusive in saying that if you propagate your Sansevieria, you will have better results cloning it or taking the cuttings in water compared to the cuttings that have been sitting in soil the entire time. So if you guys still don't know how to take these cuttings, I have a video on my YouTube channel. Otherwise, it's super easy. Just take a scissors or a sharp knife, cut across, and make sure you have a few inches of leaf growth, and then make sure it is placed in the correct direction as well. If you have a cutting like this, it's not going to grow like this because it's upside down, but if you have the right side in the soil, it's going to be growing, or in this case, water, it will be growing. So next time you guys propagate your Sansevieria, make sure you do it inside of water. You'll have faster results and faster growth. From this point, once you see some roots growing out of the bottom, you can go ahead and place it in soil and continue with your normal watering schedule. About once every 2 weeks. Soak the soil, make sure you have a well-draining substrate. Besides that, there's not much care that's needed for these Sansevieria. Just make sure that they have enough lighting, like these here, which are in a window, that get plenty of ambient light throughout the day and about 2 to 3 hours of direct light in the morning at least. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm glad that there were just some very conclusive results with this, showing that you should propagate this in water instead of soil. A few other people have seen the exact same results, and so that's what I'm recommending to you guys when you propagate your Sansevieria. Do it in a glass of water. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening, and see you in the next video.